Hey, what's going on, your faith family? I got her here today before she go to work. We finna get an early morning burp. Early morning burp. I hope this RC make us burp. I stopped at the gas station this morning. Got an RC.
It ain't cold though.
Yeah, well, that's even better. And it's how to make you burp even more. But you got burping reflex already. Okay? So we finna get it burping. Finna get it in. Okay, the challenge just goes to you first. You started off. Damn. Why I can't get my burps like that?
Mm-hmm. I know I ain't burping in a minute, but you know, your girl still got it.
That's them White Castle burgers. I had some of them. You can smell it too.
And then you go fan it this way.
Oh, my damn. It fell down. Sorry about that, y'all. Wow. She is the motherfucking burp queen. Wait, let me this.
Probably made my stomach hurt though.
You think so?
It do. That's why I don't like drinking pop like that no more. Especially if it's warm. My stomach hurt.
I'm gonna burp over here because I can smell that White Castles. You know how that after smell? Wow, damn. She don't need no pop.
It just came. It was stuck at the top of my stomach.
That was a good one, wasn't it, y'all?
I was stuck at the top of my stomach.
You is the burp queen. I am not the burp queen. Light Bright is the burp queen. Your stomach ain't hurting, is it?
Top of my stomach. But the burp just be sitting up top. That's why.
Give us some time to marinate up in there. Marinate so it come out real strong.
I'm still sleepy, y'all.
Today is a gloomy day.
Got a long day ahead of me.
I do too. Come back home and lay down. That's what I'm gonna do. Do it fluid. Nothing but to do it.
What today is? Friday? Saturday?
Yeah, you don't know.
Oh, yeah. I'm off tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep all day tomorrow, probably. I feel like it's sitting at the top of my stomach, though.
It's sitting there.
Yeah.
You know that gas. That mean that's a good one. Wow. God damn, where you get that long? It's a long one.
Why is this naturally just come out? I don't know.
We got to start calling out some peoples to do the burping challenge. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. I'm gonna start next week. I got a couple of peoples in mind who I want to see burp. Yes, I do.
That ain't nothing but it's only been 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Stomach's starting to hurt now. God damn. That would be sitting up.
It was marinating. Wow. It's another one too. I feel it. that White Castle's mixed in.
Yeah,
And White Castles, I don't know why. Why do they stink when they come up? You could smell a straight White Castle burger. Or is it the onions?
It's the onion.
Ain't it? Is it sitting there? What y'all gonna do today on Saturday evening? Well, the evening ain't got here yet. It's still the afternoon. Still the morning. It ain't even 12 o'clock yet. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Girl just made me cry. What the hell?
Oh, man, that was one of them sensitive burps.
This hurting my stomach. That's how my stomach was upset, y'all.
Why was your stomach upset?
Because I was drinking last night, too.
What you had to drink?
Hen dog.
Oh, my God. That drink right there is nasty, nasty as hell.
That's all I drink, y'all. Light bright drinks, dark liquor. Hennessy. I drink Remy, too. Remy smooth. You know. I'm more of a dark
Well, I have a
person.
little wine. I don't have all that strong alcohol. I like wine. I like some Stella Rose is good.
Yeah, Stella Rose is.
Mm-hmm.
Moscato, it's the same
Yeah,
thing,
the
right?
Moscato is good.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
I
I don't too much like dry wine. I like red wines, sweet wines.
Yeah.
That more intense get you toe up.
I still ain't been to Cooper House yet, y'all.
And I gotta take her there. I done been there. I come out of there, I be toe up. Cause after you done tasted 8 different wines, then sometimes they might throw in extras.
Mm-hmm.
You be toe up coming out of there, but I really enjoy it because you get a chance to meet different peoples.
Mm-hmm.
And the stories that people tell, they be needing to get it off their chest. Yes,
Yeah.
they do, especially mothers. I was just in the grocery store and the mother was talking to me. She was from Germany. She's talking to me about 40 minutes. I stood there and listened to her. I said, you need to get that out. You need to. Sometimes strangers is the best people to talk to because they don't know you. You don't know them. And sometimes you just have to get it out. And I mean, she got it out. People thought she was fussing at me. But I let her get it on out. Then I hugged her. Sometimes people just need a hug.
My stomach, y'all. I feel bloated.
I need to look at this.
I feel bloated, y'all. I ain't even eat a lot. The only thing that I ate was what she had made. It was like yesterday. And she just bought me the White Castle burger. Well, breakfast.
It's the waffles and eggs and bacon and cheese. That's what that was. The breakfast 3.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm. And some hash browns. Hash brown. You get on down. Julie Brown.
When I get off, I'm probably gonna go to sleep though for an hour.
For an hour. What you gotta do today?
I don't know. Probably go out today. I'm not yet.
I don't know. It ain't that whole lot. I don't like going out to different clubs. I enjoy being in them stores.
I ain't been to a club yet. I just go to hookah bars.
Now that I want to do. I want to go to the hookah
Go
bar.
bowling or go
You
to
gonna take your
Dave and
mama
Buster's or something.
You gonna take your mama to the hookah bar? No, you know what we supposed to do today? Applebee's got a special going on for the month of October. And they got dollar shots. I think it starts at 9. I'm not for certain. And they got the bone in, bone out. Bone in is 50 cents. Bone out is 55 cents.
Yeah, that's decent.
Yeah, that is nice. And you get the little dollar shots. You come out here, you be toe up. You got about 2 or 3 of them. You feeling good and just right. You feeling right. Yes, you is. Y'all should try it. And I forgot the name of the drink. It's blue, though. It's something blue. Spooky blue or something.
I know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
I got a burp. It's sitting right there.
I really got a fart, but it's stuck. ain't even.
In the comments, you should have read it. Somebody said, tell her, thanks for the fart. Tell your friend, thanks for the fart. So she can fart anytime. Oh, my God. No, we just love y'all. I mean, I read all of them comments, and I really enjoy reading them. But some of them, they make me smile, and some make me laugh.
I'm sleepy.
But that's all part of dealing with the public.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And I love you all, and I appreciate you all. Because y'all give me that extra motivational push. Y'all do. I've been doing it now. I started, May 5th? And I really enjoy it. And I told her today, she finna do some burps before she go to work. She got to be at work at, 12? 12:15. Let me see.
I ain't gonna lie though, probably my hour lunch, y'all, I'm probably gonna slip in and take me a nap.
Why you so tired? Y'all could just imagine. Boy, I tell you. I guess y'all all know how it is when you're young. Look at rolling the eyeballs up. Motherfuckers gonna get stuck. Y'all remember when people used to flip their eyelids inside out?
I used to do that.
You used to do that? Mm-hmm. Some people did shit. One time, this guy got stuck. He couldn't get it down. That was Eric. His name was Eric. God rest his soul. He got killed. Killed in Chicago in front of his house. Yes, he did. They shot him. But he used to flip his eyelids up one time. He got stuck up there, too. And we was busting up laughing. Then I had a friend named Walter. A bee had stung him in the lip. He was like, a bee just stung me. Next thing you know, his lip, I mean, it got humongous from the bee sting. Oh, Lord. Back in the day, we used to have so much fun. I just said how these kids can't really enjoy themselves like we did.
It ain't like how it used to be.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
You gotta worry about getting shot at. This girl who's on, matter of fact, Black King Crow, she said that they do it every year. They was in the truck. I don't know if they was in the truck or whatever. And then when they was partying and stuff, everybody was just having fun, dancing, hanging out on the roof and stuff like that. And then out of nowhere, some gunshots. They just started shooting. And she pregnant. And her cousin had got shot, so.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah, it's like you really can't have fun no more without getting
you can't.
into some BS or somebody.
I remember going to a Father's Day picnic on the east side of Chicago. And I had a bad feeling that day. I was telling my uncle before we went, I said, you know what, I got a feeling they going to be shooting. Oh, no, they do it every year. It's going to be all good.
Y'all,
So,
it looked like the scene from off a movie.
Like, oh, my God.
It was funny, but it was
terrible.
Though.
It was dangerous. Oh, my God. We standing there, and she was little then. She was about 9, 10.
Yeah.
And they standing around the DJ, and they was having contest. Next thing you know, this little nigga came out of nowhere, grabbed the side of his pants, and this guy rolled past in the motorcycle. He got the shooting. Everybody got the scattering. My cousin, her girlfriend, had on some heels. Her goddamn heels got stuck down in the ground. I mean, I was tying ass. I was screaming and hollering for my kids. I was running. I said, never again. What the hell? You just got it going on today.
I told you I had to fight.
Coming out of both ends.
It was.
Damn, that one made me choke. Oh, Lord, you smell that?
Then you go fan it this way.
I'm just fanning. Well, we love y'all. Y'all know. Y'all know I'm on that 15 budget. So we're going to be coming to y'all soon. Please give a thumbs up. Comment down below. We love y'all and hope y'all have a good Saturday. And peace out.